In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a phone number clickable in WordPress, step by step, so visitors can tap and call directly from their phones. This is especially useful for business websites, service pages, contact pages, and landing pages, where you want to make it as easy as possible for users to reach you. If you're using WordPress and the block editor, this method works perfectly and doesn't require any plugins or coding. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the page where you want the phone number to be clickable. This could be your contact page, home page, or any other page on your site. Once you're inside the page editor, look for the plus icon to add a new block. Click on the plus icon and from the block options, select the paragraph block. This will allow you to add text to your page. Now, type in the phone number exactly how you want it to appear on your website. For example, you can type something like 555-0199 or include formatting like dashes if you prefer. After typing the number, highlight it with your mouse. With the phone number selected, click on the link icon in the toolbar above the text. This is the same icon you use when linking to a website URL. When the link options appear, click on the Edit or Advanced Link Settings option so you can manually enter the link. In the link field, type tel: followed immediately by your phone number. For example, tel: 555-0199. Make sure there are no spaces between tel: and the number, because spaces can cause the link to break on mobile devices. This tel format tells browsers and smartphones that this is a phone number and should open the phone dialer when clicked. If you want the phone number to open in a new tab or connect to another service, you can toggle the option to open the link in a new tab. This step is optional and depends on how you want the link to behave. Once everything looks correct, click on Apply to save the link settings. At this point, your phone number is now clickable. To make sure everything works, click on Save or Update to publish your changes. After saving, click on View Page to open the page on the front end of your website. Try clicking the phone number, especially on a mobile device, and you should see it open the phone dialer automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a phone number clickable in WordPress using the block editor. This small change can make a big difference in user experience and help you get more calls from your website. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.